Hello and welcome to this video where I will review Bluehost Support. For this video, I've prepared these questions to ask the Bluehost Support team, and after spending more than 25 minutes talking to a member of their team, trying to imitate that I need help, this is what I found. The first thing I liked is that I was directly connected to a support team member via chat, so no waiting line in my experience. The second thing I liked is that they checked my identity to make sure that I am the account owner before going into any details. What I didn't like is that many times they could just send me a link to a web page from their technical knowledge resource, and it would be useful for me and also easier on them. Instead, they replied with a long paragraph that does not answer my full question, or it is correct but not easier to understand by a beginner. The other thing I didn't like about Bluehost support is that a simple responsibility question like, if I pay you to transfer my website, should I still provide you the backup file? Or you would get it yourself from my old hosting? They took, they took time to reply to this yes or no question, or questions like this one. Maybe they are chatting with multiple persons at the same time, I don't know. Long story short, from my experience, I didn't feel them happy to assist me like I always feel with hosting a support team. And yes, they are present, but not to help me fix my problems. That was my experience with Bluehost support team. My link, my Bluehost link is down below. If you use it to get your hosting, I would offer you a free 1 hour consultation with me to help you with anything related to web hosting, affiliate, and niche websites. Just contact me from my blog bensexperience.com/contact and I will be happy to talk to you.